So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to vanish or patch unwanted elements on your picture on the Photoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the first icon down below, which is the home button, and after going to your home page, go to the start creating section at the top of the screen and click on edit photo. Then you should tap on the picture that you want to edit. Now slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find the heal button, and you can either tap on the vanish or patch icon. So you should use your finger to select the part that you want to vanish from your picture. As you can see, that part has been vanished that you have selected. If you want to restore it, just tap on the restore button down below, and you can restore it by tapping on that relevant part that you have vanished. If you tap on the patch icon, you can do the same, and here you have selected this part, and you can position it like this, as you can see on the screen. Then you can select the opacity of that part, feather, and also flip it by the flip button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.